Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, June 13th. Today's Zen story is titled Hoshin's Last Poem. Master Hoshin had lived many years, teaching in a small monastery nestled between the sea and the mountains. One evening, he gathered his students in the courtyard. "I will leave this world soon," he said. The younger monks gasped, but the elder ones only nodded. Hoshin had always spoken of impermanence as the way of things. One student, Renji, bowed deeply. "Master," he asked, "do you know when?" Hoshin smiled. "Tomorrow, at sunset." The students murmured amongst themselves, but none could find words to refute him. The next day they gathered early, preparing a quiet vigil. The sun dipped lower, casting golden light over the monastery. Hoshin sat calmly in the garden, brush in hand, and wrote his final poem. A fleeting cloud, the autumn wind takes it far, yet the sky remains. With a final breath, he set the brush down and closed his eyes. The wind stirred his robes. The sky stretched vast and unbroken. The students sat in silence. One of them whispered, "Did he leave?" Another student replied without words, slowly gazing up at the sky. Then they all looked up. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body and arrive into stillness. Maybe close your eyes gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. How do you view the impermanence of your own life? How do you view the impermanence of your own life? What traces remain of those who have passed before us? What traces remain of those who have passed before us? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with during your day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.